This is a video tutorial for the Happy Days GAZ apron, and this is how you make it. And this is what you'll need: fabric for the outer, fabric for the straps if you're making your own, and if you're not making your own, some apron webbing tape. We'll start by making the neck strap. Place your neck strap right sides down, fold in half and press. Open out and take this edge to that centre crease line you've made, and that side into the centre crease again. Then fold over and press and pop some clips in. I'll pop some clips in, and now I'm going to take it over the sewing machine and I'm going to top stitch along the open edge and across the folded edge. I've top stitched both sides, and now I'm going to put the neck strap to one side for a moment. We're now working on the pocket. Place your pocket fabric right sides down and fold over the top 1 centimetre and press. Next, fold over the top 3 centimetres and once again press. Then pop a few pins in along there. Popped a few pins in, and now I'm going to take it over the sewing machine and I'm going to top stitch along this bottom edge. I've top stitched all the way across, and now I'm going to put the pocket to one side for the moment. We're now working on the main body of the apron, and starting at the top. Fold over the top part of your apron 1 centimetre and press, and then fold over a further 3 centimetres and once again press. Next, measure 4 centimetres from the edge of your fold over part and make a mark, and do the same this side, make a mark. Using the mark you've made, take your strap and place the edge of your strap on the edge of your line, and then bring it over and put a clip or a pin in there. I'll put a couple of clips in there, and I'm going to repeat for the other side. Take your other end. I'll pop some clips in the one side, and now I'm going to place the strap the other end the other side. Using the mark I drew, bringing it up exactly the same, and I'm going to pop some clips in there. Put some clips in the other side, and now I'm going to take it over the sewing machine and I'm going to sew close to the edge all along the bottom and then all along the top, and this will then secure the neck straps in place. Once you've sewn your straps into place, as I've done, it's time to work on the sides. So take your sides and fold over 1 centimetre and press. Then turn over another centimetre and press, and then pop some clips in. I popped a few pins in on the curve, and now I'm going to work on the side. For the side, do exactly the same. Fold over 1 centimetre and press, and then fold over another 1 centimetre. Once again, press and pop some clips in. I popped a few clips in, and I've left a bigger gap there, and I've measured from the fold 1 centimetre, and I've made a mark, and this is to put your strap in. So place your strap underneath the folded piece of fabric, and then flip it over and pop some pins or clips in. I popped some clips in, and now I'm going to repeat the whole process on the other side. I've repeated the process on the other side, and I've also turned up the bottom 1 centimetre and then another 1 centimetre and added some clips there. I'm now going to take it out of the sewing machine, and I'm going to sew all along where the clips are. I've sewn all the way around, including along the bottom, and now I'm going to attach the pocket. Take your pocket that you made earlier and fold in each side 1 centimetre and press, including the bottom, and press, and along the side and press. Next, we've got to find the centre of your pocket. Fold your pocket in half and finger press, and then along the line that you've pressed, take your ruler and draw a line all the way down. Find the centre of your apron in the same way by folding in half and finger pressing, and then measure from the top of the apron 32 centimetres along that crease line and make a mark. Place your pocket on that centre line, matching your centre line that you drew. Ensure that there's the same distance from the side to the edge of your pocket on both sides, and then pop some pins all the way around. I popped a few pins in, and now I'm going to take it over the sewing machine, and I'm going to sew along the one side and stop, along the bottom and stop, and then back up the other side and stop. I've sewn along the 3 sides, and I've also sewn along the centre line, and this will give us the 2 pockets on the front, and that's your GAZ apron all finished.